Okay, so let's have a look at the sixth adjustment for K. Kelly 2006. I'd say a new warehouse was purchased during the year for 200,000 plus VAT at 12.5%. The amount paid to the vendor was entered in the buildings account, so that's incorrect. So the VAT shouldn't have been entered in the buildings account, it should have been entered in the VAT account. So you need to find out how much the VAT is, take it out of the buildings account and put it into the VAT account. So the adjustment that are working will look something like this. So your VAT is 200,000. That's the value of the new building we bought. The VAT was 12.5%. So to find out how much the VAT was, you're going to take 200,000 and multiply by 12.5%. So the VAT was 25,000. So you need to reduce or take it out of the buildings account and put it into the VAT account. So there's two ways we can do this. Number one, you can do your double entry. So your buildings and your VAT account. So you need to find out how much our VAT is in the question, and is it on the debit side or the credit side. So if it's on the debit side, it's an overpayment. Credit side is a liability. So VAT, the majority of the time, will be on the credit side because it's a liability. So in this question, our VAT is 4,300 on the credit side. And our buildings will always be on the debit side. So our buildings, land and buildings, 900,000. So we need to take it out of our buildings account. So that means we need to reduce our buildings account. So to reduce an asset, we put on the credit side. So the VAT is going to be 25,000. So we're going to credit our bank account, buildings account, and we're going to debit our VAT account of 25,000. And then if we balance it off, then we'll see we have an overpayment on our VAT, 20,700. So that's going to go into your balance sheet as a current asset. So your balance then is going to be 20,700. Unless there's any other adjustments, that's the figure that goes into your balance sheet, and we're going to put it in as a current asset because the balance is now on the credit side. So we've overpaid our VAT. Our buildings then. So our new figure for our buildings, the balance figure, is going to be 870,000. So the new figure that we're going to use from now on for our buildings is 875,000. You can also do the adding and subtracting. So the amount that we have for the VAT is 4,300. We've got our VAT that we've paid in our buildings, 25,000. So you're going to take one away from the other. It's going to give us 20,700. So we know that's an overpayment. So that's going to go into your balance sheet as a current asset. And then for your buildings, then the amount then that we've just taken is 900,000 from the trial balance. Your VAT then we need to take out, which is 25,000. It's just going to take one away from the other, and that's going to give us the new value then for our buildings, land and buildings that we're going to use to make any adjustments, for example, calculate the depreciation, and if there's any revaluation reserve.